Two of the largest problems consumers have today with their cleaning system, number one, if they have asthma or allergies, they vacuum and it just puts all that horrible smell back into the air, the germs and the bacteria back into the air. You don't have to worry about that with water. But another problem that a lot of consumers have is pet fur. So we're going to show you just how amazing the Sirena system is on pet fur. Now we just shaved our little Shih Tzu today, so we've got a lot of pet fur here for you to look at. And you'll notice we're going to start off with our basin with nothing but clean water in it to start off, so we can show you just how quick and easy this thing does work. So we're going to put the two pieces back together here and get the Sirena ready to go. All right. So here we go. You'll notice how quick and easy that was. Basically 2 passes is all it took to get our carpet looking great again. And now let's have a look and see what our water looks like. And you can see that we've effectively picked up all of the pet fur without losing any of our cleaning ability, and the water still smells amazing. So you're not actually exhausting bacteria and germs back into the air either. And that's how the Sirena system is superior to all the other systems on the market today.